Okay, so I'm going to go through this system here. It's just a PiStorm. It's running a Pi 4B, which is you can see here it's Raspberry Pi 4B, and you can hardly see. I'm going to zoom in and see the detail there. Okay, out a bit, and we've got this 1084 from okay, and I'm going to shut this off, but what I'm really going to do is I'm going to show off the power of AGA with the PiStorm is that you can run arcade games really nicely in high color. I think we'll try and run it in 64 colors. That's what I've tried it in. It tells you the original palette's much higher, but this looks quite nicely. With some crunchy sound as well. You can tell the monitor is so sharp, and the speed, oh no, the speed is nothing then. It was a waste of good skateboard. Yeah. Yeah, alright, Angel. So it dynamically scales down the colours, but on an Amiga 500 you'd struggle, because I think AGA can put out 3 or 4 times as much. Alright, skateboard. I don't lose it. Alright, next game. Okay, this is another classic one. Remember, we are still running. Oh, this one. Alright. Alright. Oh, no way. No way, come on. Now. Alright, here we go. Alright. Right. Get him over the fence. Go on. Right. Oh no. Gotta remember how to pin him. No way.